Valley Barra will close with immediate effect.
So you want to buy the bakery?
You want people to put their own money in.
It's a risk. We got kids. We can't take risks.
A wedding?
I'll have to wait.
We can still change our minds. That money's in the bank now.
How much you short?
40,000.
I can put in 40,000.
We did it! Yeah! This is just the beginning!
Pull your weight, boy. This is your first and last warning.
Keep going. I can take it. How much has she had?
Best part of a bottle of vodka.
I would break every bone in your body if you so much as touch it.
Well, I hope it was worth it, because I'm pulling every penny out of Valley Barra because of you.
What would it take to make you stay?
Too late.
I am waiting for you. You know the rules. If you're late, that's your wages docked. And that was pay gone just like that.
What? No way. I'll be there now in a minute.
Listen, Flower. Speaking as your boss, I have a duty to uphold discipline in the workplace.
Don't start. Speaking of my mate, just tell me where they are.
Who are?
Oh, you!
I've lost him.
Shelley.
But you're gonna have to get in somehow.
Just tell me where they are.
Who?
Oh, please, Shell. Pretty, please.
All right. They're in the locker room. Come through the loading bay and get a move on.
Oh, thanks, love.
Loading bay.
Next one, sis.
Loading bay, come on!
Oh, cool.
Oi, oi! Loading bay.
Oh, no.
Now! Sorry, mate. Just a pie. Brilliant.
Tradition is a wonderful thing, Richard.
Say it with Flower. Waiter!
Oh, shut up. I bought you change of clothes.
Brilliant. I hope you bought one for yourself.